In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a quantity button to your Wix store, a feature that can greatly enhance the shopping experience for your customers by allowing them to select the number of items they wish to purchase. Let's get started. First, navigate to your Wix dashboard. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand side where the catalog menu is located. Hover your mouse over the catalog option. This will cause a submenu to appear. Without clicking just yet, move your cursor over to the Store Products option. Again, you'll want to pause momentarily to reveal another menu. Now find the Products section within your Store Products options. Go ahead and click on it. By clicking on Products, you're opening up the part of your store that displays all the items you have available. This is where you'll add a new product, which will include our quantity button. Look towards the upper corner, and you should see a button labeled New Product. Click on New Product to initiate adding a new item to your store. A menu should appear with choices concerning the type of product you wish to add. For our purposes today, choose Physical Product. This ensures that we're dealing with an item that you'll be shipping out or that customers can purchase in physical form. With the Product Setup page now open, your next step is to add imagery. Click on the Add Images button. It's important to have clear, appealing images for your products, as this will attract potential customers and give them a better understanding of what they're buying. Once your images are in place, add a name for your product by locating the name field and entering the product title you've chosen. Below the name field, you can also add a ribbon, a little tag that can indicate if a product is new, on sale, or an exclusive item. This tiny detail can draw customers' eyes to particular products and influence purchase decisions. Next, type in a detailed description of your product. This is crucial as it provides your customers with all the information they need about what they're buying. Be as descriptive and precise as possible to avoid any confusion. At this point, you'll need to scroll down the page until you reach the Options section. Click on Add Options. Here, you'll want to name this new option Quantity, which helps in aligning it with the number of items a customer wishes to purchase. Make sure that the format of this option is set to List. This allows your customers to have a drop-down from which they can select the quantity they want to purchase. After setting up quantity as an option, go ahead and specify the available quantity you have in stock under the appropriate field. You want to manage your numbers here to ensure you're not overselling or showing more inventory than you have. Afterward, click on the Manage Pricing and Inventory option. This is where you'll review and adjust pricing strategies and ensure your inventory numbers align with what you've input earlier. If necessary, make any edits by clicking on Edit, ensuring everything reflects your current stock accurately. As you finish up, click Apply to save all the changes you've made. This final step ensures all your configurations and adjustments go live in your store, and your customers can start purchasing products knowing exactly how many they can buy. And there you have it, a quantity button on your Wix store, making it easier for customers to select the number they want, improving their shopping experience. Thank you for watching.